Snow peas with Chinese sausage is a delicious and popular dish that combines the crispness of snow peas with the savory flavors of Chinese sausage. It is a versatile dish that can be served as a side dish or as a main course, and it is loved by both adults and children. To make snow peas with Chinese sausage, start by blanching the snow peas in boiling water until they turn bright green and become tender. Be careful not to overcook them, as they can become mushy. Once the snow peas are blanched, drain them and set them aside. Next, take the Chinese sausage and cut it into thin slices. Chinese sausage is a cured meat made from pork or beef and is commonly used in Chinese cuisine. It has a slightly sweet and smoky flavor that pairs perfectly with the fresh taste of snow peas. In a large skillet or wok, heat some oil over medium heat. Add the sliced Chinese sausage to the skillet and cook it until it becomes crispy and releases its oils. This will take about 5 minutes. The aroma of the sausage cooking will start to fill your kitchen, beckoning your taste buds. Once the Chinese sausage is crispy, add the drained snow peas to the skillet. Stir-fry them together for a few minutes, making sure that the snow peas are coated in the flavorful oils from the sausage. This will help to infuse the snow peas with the delicious taste of the sausage. To enhance the flavors even more, you can add some minced garlic or ginger to the skillet. These aromatic ingredients will further enhance the taste and add a hint of spice to the dish. Cook them for about a minute until they become fragrant. To finish off the dish, season it with some soy sauce and a pinch of sugar. The soy sauce will add a rich and salty flavor to the snow peas, while the sugar will balance out the flavors and add a touch of sweetness. Cook everything together for a couple more minutes until the snow peas are cooked to your desired tenderness. Once the dish is ready, you can garnish it with some sliced green onions or sesame seeds for added flavor and presentation. Serve it hot and enjoy the vibrant colors and contrasting textures of the crunchy snow peas and the crispy Chinese sausage. Snow peas with Chinese sausage is a dish that combines simplicity with bold flavors. The vibrant green snow peas add a refreshing crunch to every bite, while the savory Chinese sausage provides an irresistible umami taste. This dish can be enjoyed on its own as a light and healthy meal or paired with other Chinese dishes as part of a more elaborate feast. The combination of snow peas and Chinese sausage not only creates a tasty dish but also provides a balance of nutrients. Snow peas are a rich source of vitamins A and C, as well as dietary fiber. They are low in calories and contain antioxidants that help to boost the immune system. Chinese sausage, on the other hand, is a good source of protein and adds a satisfying richness to the dish. Snow peas with Chinese sausage is a dish that brings together the best of both worlds, the freshness of vegetables and the boldness of cured meat. Its simple preparation allows the flavors to shine through, making it a delightful option for a quick and flavorsome meal. Whether you're a fan of Chinese cuisine or just looking to try something new, this dish is sure to satisfy your taste buds and leave you wanting more.